Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Keto back with another After Effects tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get the best quality on Instagram. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to be done with your edit, and the CC is so important. It's very important. If you don't know how to CC, go check out my CC tutorial. It's going to be down below in the description. It's like more in depth, but once you got your CC and everything ready to go up here to file, go to export, and then go to add to render queue. And once you get to render queue, you're gonna click on lossless. Once you click on lossless, this is the very important part. You wanna make sure you leave this on AVI, and I'm gonna explain why we leave it on AVI. So leave it on AVI, click OK, and then just save it to wherever you want to save it at. So after you rendered your edit out in AVI, open up a program that's called Adobe Media Encoder. Now I have the 2017 version. I'm pretty sure all the Adobe Media Encoders act the same, but I just have 2017 personally. But if you do not have this, which you should, because if you get After Effects, you have to get Adobe Media Encoder at the same time as well. Just go look up a video. I'm pretty sure it's on YouTube. It's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to get that. Just go to file, add source, and then just go to where you saved it at. So I saved it in videos, and then you click on match source high bitrate. Just keep this on match source. You don't mess with anything. Make sure the format is on H.264. On the bitrate encoding settings, you see how it says VBR 1 pass? You want to put this on VBR 2 pass, and what this actually does, it renders the edit twice. The first render is to render the actual edit, and then the second render is like to refine any details, like touch up on anything that it may have missed in terms of detailing when it's actually rendering. So that second render is ensuring that it renders everything properly and it enhances everything. Honestly, I do not mess with the bitrate. I just leave it as is because, like I said, you want to keep your estimate file size low. Occasionally I might put it on like 20 or something like that, like on both of these since the file size is so low. But I keep it as is because what Instagram and YouTube likes to do a lot, they like to compress your videos a lot. The lower the file size, the better the quality is going to be. And that doesn't give you the green light to decrease these values. Do not decrease the values, guys. From my personal experience, I can't speak for nobody else, it will mess up your quality. So just leave it as it is. That's really about it. Well, for this portion, you just press OK, and then I didn't save it where I want to save it at. I'm saving it in videos, and then you just render this out. After you got done doing all that, you want to go to a website called Creative Studio. The link will be in the description. Creative Studio allows you to upload your edits on your desktop, PC, laptop, either one of those. And Creative Studio is by far one of the best ways to upload your edits on Instagram if you're trying to preserve the quality and you're not trying to like lose any type of quality. I feel like Creative Studio is the way to go if you know how to use it. If you do not know how to use it, you have to set up, if it doesn't like let you log in, you have to have a business account. You have to switch your account to a business account. So like I said, there's all types of tutorials on how to do that. You really don't even need a tutorial on how to do that. Just go to your settings and just switch your account to a business account. Sign up, for the Creative Studio once you get on the website, and then just literally log into your account. So I'm gonna log into my account, Keto, and I'm gonna log in. So once you log in, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just go to Instagram feed, go to file upload, and then go to where you saved it at, and then it allows you to actually like pick the thumbnail and stuff that you want to use. So let's say, I don't know, let's try to find a nice thumbnail. I think yeah, I'm probably like right there. Just go to post. Gonna name this sauce. You know what I'm saying? And then hey, that's really about it. You can tag people, you can even schedule your edits and stuff on Instagram. So this is very useful if you're just trying to schedule your edits and stuff for a later date and stuff like that. But that's really about it, guys. It is literally that simple. Here's some other keynotes that some like bonus tips as well. Like, you want to upload in these aspect ratios. 1080 by 1080 is by far like one of the best ways to upload on Instagram, because it's literally made for Instagram. Because like when you're on your phone, it's like majority of edits and things on there are like boxes. So like a square edit, and some people call it boxes, some people call it square edits, but these are like the main aspect ratios that you want to upload when you uploading it on Instagram, because so it won't preserve the quality. Because some aspect ratios are like not actually meant for Instagram, but you can still upload them. The quality still would be good if you do this method, but it would be godlike if you just do it in these aspect ratios. And plus it's just like so addicting to look at. The only thing that I'm not too sure on, I never edit in like 1080 566, so no. I usually do 1920 by 1080, for square edits. And I'm pretty sure you do too if you're watching this video. If you didn't know, I would recommend you editing that too if you're just trying to do a square edit. And for stories, I don't actually do too much. I might, if I'm like about to preview a song or something like that and I'm doing my thug dizzle, I might doing this aspect ratio. But if you're just trying to like do stuff on, like if you're trying to post edits on reels and stuff like that, and you're just trying to get the best quality possible for that, definitely 1080 by 1920. The CC is very important. If you haven't checked out my color correction tutorial, definitely go check out that. That literally will help you out a lot, because I use that in literally all my edits. I might do a different thing here and there, but for the main like essence of like my CCs and stuff, that's what I use. So definitely go check out that video if you guys haven't already. But if this video helps you out, definitely leave a like on the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, and hey man, you know what I'm saying, hey. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video. I'm out. Gang.